Machiegni kendo, kwan ma joma manyo thieth ne tuoche madhi korka dang'ni mar paro medore e kaunti ma Nakuru kaluwore koda tiegruok mar tieko akwede motenore kod tuono. Lydia Nyaga, mochung'ne weche mag dang'ni mar paro e kauntino, wacho ni kwan rowere ma kawo ngimagi osemedore kaluwore kod tiyo kod yedhe mamero ji, koso tije e kind chandruoge mamoko. Ka gitimo tiegruok ne tuoche mag paro, jokanyo e sekta mar thieth oywago kwan omenda mamalo mitiyogo e thiedho tuoche mag dang'ni mag paro. Kata kamano, giwacho ni loso kendo bero chike mag dang'ni mag paro koro konyo e yudo thieth makare.
We have the curative services where they can get help in our services. In our facilities, starting from level 2, they can get service, level 3, level 4, and in our level 5 is where they can get admission. People only associate mental illness with admission. Not everyone needs admission, but the few who needs admission, they can get it at Nakuru County Referral Teaching Hospital or Igigi Hospital.
The issues about mental health around this area are very rampant. There are a lot of suicide cases. There's a lot of cases of addiction and substance use. So we're just trying to reach out to the youth and to the communities to empower them to know about mental health so that they are able to seek help when they experience these symptoms or when they are in distress, and also to just tell them where they can get help.
It is real and people need to come out and be treated. The ones who are in depression, they should go and seek help.
We have the mental health bill. Currently we have the counseling and psychological board, which it regulates the psychologists and the counselors who are working in the mental health field.
Riwruok mochung'ne arita makare apaya NTSA komakore kod riwruoge